I'm Susan Brown with Beyond the Fog, a customized tour company and special events company. And today I'm in front of a really great place called Re-Up. It's in Oakland, and what you do is you go inside, you pick out what lotions or soaps or whatever you want, and then you bring your own bottle and you fill it up, and that way you don't have to even throw anything away. You just re-up the product, and it's really cool. So let's go inside. Okay, they also have food, and they have really cool sponges, and lip balm, body bath, do it yourself, and cleaning, which I'll do the cleaning another day when I have time. And here's some cool products. And here's some more things. Maple syrup, avocado oil, olive oil, canola oil, sesame oil, sunflower oil. And there's the different size bottles. Vinegar, more vinegar, more vinegar, apple cider vinegar, rice wine vinegar, tamari, and something I don't really know what that says. No glasses. So it's for cooking. So it really is for like everything, which is cool. I love the bottles. And then they'll give you the pumps. And there's the baskets. So this is a cool place. It's called Re-Up. Okay, so I'm in Re-Up right now. Re-Up is a place where you go and you pick what you want, and then you use a bottle and you fill it up, and you bring your own bottle, or you can purchase their bottles down here and fill up what you want. And I really like their body lotion. So there's body lotion, there's the little pump. I'm gonna buy a bottle and I'm gonna fill it up. And then I also like their soaps. They have all these amazing soaps. Let me show you the whole store. And then they have water bottles and places that you can, put your food in, clean canteen. It's a cool store. This idea, of course, isn't new, because when I was in the 70s, when I was a teenager, they were doing the same thing at a place called the Body Shop. But, everything comes around, and now we're at a time in our lives where it's necessary to do this. So this is a Re-Up, and it's in Oakland, California, on College Avenue in Oakland, and it's super cool. Okay, so I'm going to take a bottle. Here's a bottle. See? It's the logo, Re-Up. And I am going to go over to the lotions and do the lotion. 1 second. My shopping at Re-Up. Susan Brown with Beyond the Fog, a customized tour company and special events company. Thank you for joining me with Re-Up.